Hi students, today's MCQ and the question goes like this. If y is equal to log of log sin x, then what is dy by dx? And these are the four options. Now if you check the function, it is composition of three functions, that is log function, again there is log function and sine function. So we have to differentiate this using chain rule. First we have to differentiate logarithmic function, then we have to differentiate this logarithmic function, and then finally the sin x. So let us differentiate now. Differentiating with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to. Now when we differentiate log x, what is the derivative? It is 1 by x, correct? So here in place of x we have log of sin x. So the derivative of this function would be 1 by log of sin x. Now log of sin x has to be differentiated. Again we use the same derivative of log x, which is 1 by x. So in place of x we have sin x, so derivative of log of sin x is 1 by sin x. Now sin x has to be differentiated as per chain rule. The derivative of sin x is cos x, so we have written cos x here. So cos x by sin x will be cot x whole divided by log of sin x. So this is the derivative and the right answer is option A. This is a very simple sum. Only thing you need to know is differentiating using chain rule. That's all. If you know that, this is a very easy sum.